Hey guys, I love dishes with heat, and what's better than jalapenos for heat? So I got thinking about chicken, jalapenos, and a casserole. So we put together a chicken jalapeno casserole popper. So incredibly delicious. You're gonna love this, so let me show you how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do here is boil up some chicken. And I'm using 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, which is about, I don't know, 600-700 grams. Now, if you have leftover chicken or something like that, by all means use it. And we're going to let this boil for about 20 minutes, just to the point where it's cooked. Now the chicken breasts are done, I'm just going to pull them out of the pot and set them aside and let them cool for a little bit. Now the chicken has cooled down, I'm going to grab up a couple of forks here and just kind of shred it up. There's nothing on this, but you know it smells good. And you know, you can cut this or whatever method you like. I just like the 2 forks. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our shredded chicken to a bowl. Now what I'm going to do is add some jalapenos that I've chopped up and kind of de-seeded them because the seeds are really hot. But you know, you can chop them up in whatever way you like. A couple of green onions. And believe me, these smells are coming together so great. 250 grams of cream cheese, and you want this at room temperature so it's easy to work with. Of course, some salt. And you can do this according to taste. And my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. I just love this, so I'm going to add quite a bit. Grab up my spoon and mix this until everything is nicely combined. Just look at the creaminess of this stuff. Just incredible. Some people add bacon in. You can go ahead and do that, but I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible. Now we're just going to go ahead and transfer this into a casserole dish. And of course you can use the dish of your choice. Kind of spread it out evenly. Some old sharp cheddar cheese over the top. Now this is my favorite, but you know, you can use yours, whatever you like. Then a few more jalapenos over the top just to spice it up, just for good luck. Now if you don't want it too spicy, you can leave these out, but you know, I like my life spiced up. And we're going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes. And there you have it, guys, our chicken jalapeno casserole. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. Guys, this is so good. It's creamy for the, you know, because of the cream cheese, the tenderness of the chicken, the heat from the jalapeno. Absolutely delicious. You're gonna love this. You gotta make it. I am still eating here, but don't forget to check out our last recipe, chicken and dumplings. Incredibly delicious. This is delicious too. Head on over to cookandshare.com for the full scoop on this recipe. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.